Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so you can isolate the issue fast. Check Wi-Fi or cellular and load a web page to confirm connectivity. If that fails, fix the network first. Next, sign out of the App Store account and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. Once done, restart your device and the router to clear temporary glitches. Make sure no captive portal or VPN is intercepting traffic, because those commonly prevent the store from connecting. Now you dig into settings that frequently break connections. Confirm date, time, and time zone are correct because certificate validation fails if they're wrong. Clear the App Store cache or app data, force quit the app, then relaunch to force a fresh handshake. Update the operating system and the store app to rule out protocol mismatches. Make sure you have enough free storage to download updates. If background data limits or app restrictions are enabled, disable them so the store can sync properly. Finish with advanced but decisive actions to restore connection. Reset network settings or renew the DHCP lease to clear DNS and routing issues, then rejoin your Wi-Fi network. Temporarily disable any VPN, firewall, or parental controls that could block store servers. These often interfere with certificate pinning or API endpoints. Once reconnected, test downloads and sign in. If problems persist, collect error messages, logs, and timestamps. Then contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.